Hey there, today I'll tell you about how to buy TikTok coins with credit card or debit card. TikTok coins are a virtual currency within the TikTok app and that users can purchase with the real money to send virtual gifts to creators during live streams or in comments, essentially acting as a way to tip your favorite content creators. Creators can then convert these coins into real money through a system called diamonds depending on their eligibility. So how you can buy it by your with your credit or debit card. For this, first open your TikTok app, then tap on your profile from the bottom right corner. Then from here, from the top right corner, select three dot, then tap on balance. Then it take a while, then you will see your coins here. Then add your coins, just tap on get coins. Now then enter your preferred amount, how much you want to buy recharge. So for example, I am selecting 70, then tap on recharge. Now you will see an option add credit or debit card, just tap on it. Now enter your credit card number or debit card number, then select date and security code, then select save card. And that's how you can buy your TikTok coin by using your credit or debit card.